are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Fine.
So what kind of food you prepare? Arab traditional, yeah.
I'm good. Yeah. It was an absolutely wonderful day.
You like-
Oh my
How
God.
much you like Dubai?
During the day it was like totally different from the night time.
How much do you like Dubai? You love it? Hold tight, mom.
Why?
He just likes to do speeding a little bit, and you know.
Oh guys,
and
please just don't speed. You know, like I'm
It's
so
okay.
scared about speeding and stuff. No, please don't speed. What? Are you freaking kidding me? Don't do this to me, please. Oh my God! Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Put me back. Oh my God. Oh no, Vitaly, why are you doing this to me? Are you crazy? Oh no, it's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so... Oh my God, you want to kill me or what? You stop! No! Oh my God!
Welcome to Dubai.
This is...
Arab lifestyle. Do you want to do it again?
Hell no. Please, just stop the car. I just want to get out.
Do it again.
Get out. No! Just... Stop! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Oh my God! No! Are you kidding me? You killing me? Oh my
It's better than a roller coaster,
God!
right?
No. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
The best experience.
Guys, please stop!
Welcome to the Middle East.
This is the scariest thing ever. Please, just please.
We're just going back home.
Oh my God!
It's a normal driving. He has a driver license, everything's great.
Just seeing the
Нет,
world
этого не надо
sideways.
делать, это мама не надо делать. Мама.
عدل السيارة
Mom.
عدل السيارة ما عليه
Mom.
وتر
يهبط
شوي عيبهته.
Mom.
Yeah, no.
Mom.
We have water.
Mom. Are you serious?
رش شوي عيبتها
Mom.
رش شوي عيبتها
Mom. Are you serious?
رش
Ah! Gotcha, bitch! Don't ever do this to me again! Don't ever do this to me
She
again!
just freaked out. She pretended she passed out. The guy freaked out. Oh my God. Wow. My mom
You
is...
really got me, bro.
Oh my God. Come here, come. Did you have fun?
Oh my God, that was the scariest shit ever! But I got you back.
Oh, welcome. Please give this video a huge thumbs up for this driver. Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace from Middle East.